Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Airwell air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, with the help of which we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button, with the help of which we can change the modes of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 5 modes: cooling, heating, fan, dry, and auto. Most air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we will start with its explanation first. We press the mode button, and when a snowflake appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. It is not advisable to stay in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time, as it can cause colds. With the help of the fan button, we can change the speed of the air conditioner's fan. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can choose a low fan speed so that the fan sound does not disturb you in the bedroom. It is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees Celsius for the air conditioner to save energy. To switch to other modes of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again. A sun symbol appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner's temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. In order to save electricity, the temperature can be reduced to 24 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the air conditioner's fan speed to auto fan speed mode allows it to work more efficiently, because in this case, the fan speed is regulated by the microprocessor. Therefore, the snow will cover the outside unit only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to the auto fan speed mode, press the fan button several times, and when the word auto appears, the air conditioner switches to this mode. We press the mode button again, and the fan symbol appears on the screen. This is the fan mode, and in this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again, and a water drop icon appears on the screen. This is the drying mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and see this symbol on the screen. Now the air conditioner is in auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the temperature in the house at the set level. For example, if we set the temperature to 26 degrees Celsius, if the room temperature is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is higher, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode. We return to cooling mode by pressing the mode button again. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons. This swing button is for moving the air conditioner's blinds up and down, and this swing button is for stopping them in any position. With this button, we can raise the temperature, and with this one, lower the temperature. The air conditioner also has other buttons located under the cover. When the I feel button is pressed, the air conditioner will measure the temperature with the help of the remote control. But the distance between the remote control and the air conditioner should not be more than 7 meters. We press the same button again to exit this mode. Sometimes we set the temperature to 21, 22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in our bed. In such a case, it is advisable to press the sleep button to prevent a cold. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree after 2 hours and again by 1 degree after a few hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button. The room button is for measuring the temperature at the location of the remote control. To set the air conditioner's clock, you need to hold down the set button for a few seconds. We see that the clock is flashing. With the help of these buttons, you need to set the clock and press the set button to confirm. This is the lock button. When this button is pressed, all buttons except this button became inactive. We can exit this mode by pressing this button again. Now we will explain the timer mode. For example, we want the air conditioner to start at 6 p.m. Then we press the timer button and set the timer with the help of these buttons and confirm by pressing the set button. To exit this mode, you need to press the clear button. Or if we want the air conditioner to turn off at 4 a.m., then we press the timer button twice to switch to timer off mode and press the set button after setting. To exit this mode, press the clear button. Thank you for watching us until the end.